Hello and welcome to Champions Network TV. Today we are introducing something powerful, simple, and helpful: artificial intelligence, or AI. You might think AI is complicated, but actually it is just a tool that makes life easier. In Zimbabwe, even in rural areas, muUpenyu AI can help farmers, parents, business people, and community leaders. By the end of this short lesson, you will say, so artificial intelligence can really help me in my daily life. Artificial intelligence simply means a smart helper on your phone. Just the same way the calculator helps you add numbers, AI helps you find information, plan, write, translate, and learn faster. You have actually been using AI already. When WhatsApp suggests words, as you type, voice typing, Google Maps saying turn left, eco-cache automated messages. AI is not here to replace people. It is here to support your work, your farming, your business, and your learning. AI ishoko idzva, asibasa raro harisi idzva, rinobatsira vanhu quitas vinhu nekukurumidza. Let's look at how artificial intelligence can help you in real life. 1. In farming, artificial intelligence can tell you best time to plant maize, how to identify pests, how to store crops safely, and weather updates. 2. In education, artificial intelligence can help you learn English, help children with homework, and translate difficult words. 3. In business, artificial intelligence can help you write simple adverts, create business ideas, budget for your shop, and compare prices. 4. In health, artificial intelligence can explain what certain foods help with, general information about conditions, and how to prepare for a clinic visit. Remember, AI does not replace health workers. It only gives general information. Artificial intelligence can uplift an entire community. Examples: artificial intelligence can help a youth group write funding proposals. Farmers can get pest management advice. Women's clubs can get business ideas. Church groups can organize events. Counselors can draft reports and speeches. AI is like a library and a teacher in your pocket. AI is not for cities only. AI is not for the rich only. AI is not for the young only. AI is not for the educated only. AI is for you and me. Artificial intelligence is for everyone, even here, Kumusha, muZimbabwe. You now know what artificial intelligence is, how to use it, how it helps in farming and business, how to use it for your community. Thank you for watching Champions Network TV. Let's move forward together, using technology to make life easier, smarter, and better for us all. Kushandisa AI artificial intelligence, muUpenyu Hwezuva Nezuva.